know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we're gonna start off today's video by making some protein shake, and I'm using this oat milk, and then I just add some water. I already put my ice in the blender, and then we're gonna be using this GNC lean shake. It comes with 25 grams of protein per scoop, and we're using 2 scoops, so that is 50 grams of protein. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our vanilla extract and then some cinnamon like sugar cinnamon powder, and it comes out so good, tastes so good. We're gonna go ahead and blend that up. I hate doing voiceovers, like, if you guys can tell, because I keep have to redo it because yeah. So once that is finished, we're gonna get our cup and we're gonna decorate our cup. So we're gonna be using some chocolate right here. Get some whipped cream, put it at the bottom. And I'm using the 0 sugar whipped cream. Now we're gonna go ahead and get some more cinnamon, put it at the bottom. Get a little bit of oat milk. And now we're gonna be using this Nature Valley sweet and salty like granola bar. This is like one of my favorite granola bar because it has the chocolate, it's like sweet, it has honey, it's like so good. We're gonna put that at the bottom. So like me personally, when I drink my shakes, I like to like actually eat something too. So like I don't really like when my shake is like just like bland, like, you know. So yeah, that's why I put that in it. And then add your whipped cream, add your syrup on it, and then you just decorate it how you want. But this is how it's looking. Do you guys like it? And thanks to GNC for sponsoring today's video, because they did send me over this. So after I finished drinking that for my breakfast, I did went ahead and study because I had a major exam to do, which I passed. Yay! So yes, this is my advanced pharmacology class. Like pharmacology has not been like my strongest topic to do, like my strongest subject, but ended up doing really well, which I'm proud of. It was raining. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna make you guys spend the day with me. We don't really have much to do. I just have to wash my clothes, gotta study. So maybe we're gonna find a nice spot to study at and then get something to eat. But yeah, if you guys do want to see today's video, make sure you guys go ahead and like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. And let's get started with today's video.
Sometimes we fuss and we fight and we feel like it's all just for nothing. So how do we change it up so we can get over love? You fell in love with somebody like you, had to start a brand new. You know that I gotta stay true, looking for somebody like. I don't really care if you hate me, we could fall in love on a daily. Even when you go, it doesn't faze me. You'll be right back, yeah. Sometimes we fuss and we fight and we feel like it's all just for nothing.
Guys, I just went to FedEx and I just printed out some things really quick. I'm gonna try to get something to eat before I head to go wash and try and see what they have to eat, because your girl's starving. So let's go. It's kind of cool outside now. Remember when I just came out the house, it felt really good. It felt really good, but the weather is changing. I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and see what they have. And the face looks so pretty. Fall. Some smell good. Somebody cooking something really nice. I don't know what I smell, but it smells good. It smells like kind of Indian food. Ooh, they have chicken over halal food. Look at that. So yeah, we're gonna go get some of that. Is it lock? Ooh, nice. Looks so good.
What are your topping options?
It is. And then the white sauce. All right.
That's for you.
So guys, I got some halal food. Can't wait to dip our it. Yeah, this is gonna be good. I love them. I love these food. I love these type of food. It tastes so good. Like chicken over rice. Give me that all day, every day. Yeah, this is one thing I'm going to miss about Rhode Island or New York or Connecticut, because they have like the good food, you know. In Florida, all we can find is Jamaican food that I really like, or seafood. But yeah, we're gonna go in the car and see if we can eat some because I'm hungry. Maybe I shouldn't do takeout. Maybe I should have just eaten the restaurant. But yeah, this is my halal food. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like how it looks and everything. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and open the bag so you guys can see what's in there. I got me chicken over rice with the white sauce and also the green sauce. I like the green sauce. I never used to get the green sauce, but the other day I put it on my my Uber Eats order, and that thing was so good. It's like spicy with a lot of, like, I don't know what they put in it, but it tastes good. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered. Yeah, I got me some drink, and this is just some black tea, unsweetened black tea. Then got the chicken over rice. I'm gonna open it so you guys can see. Hold on. Ooh, it smells so good. I love it. I love it. And then this was a fresh batch. It's just so good. And then it's so good. You know the food tastes good when you start dancing or singing your favorite song. No. This not open. We just need to put this back a little. We can get some sunlight. Good? You guys know that I'm a foodie. want some more juice. And listen, I'm gonna come onto the parallel park in here, right? Just so somebody's in front of me and car behind of me. So let's try. I maybe should just wait. You there, man? I could just wait. Let me wait. Maybe that for the experience I'm gonna go in soon, guys. Listen, it's too close. Oh, the lady you're going to. The lady behind me. I'm in there, bring the big box there. How am I go? Oh, let me back up quick because I don't want somebody come. Alright. Thank you, Lord. It's too much. Why? So pretty. Like, making my way downtown, walking around with my head down, and I miss you, and I need you, and I wonder if I could. I was just a little girl, my mama used to turn me into bed, and she read me a story. It always was about a princess in a stress. With it, it always about a in distress, and how gotta save her and end up with the glory.
So how do we change it up so we can get over love? Sometimes we fuss and we fight and we feel like it's all just for nothing. So how do we change it up so we can get over love? Is it really love if we fake it? Does it even count if we're faded? All I wanna know is it real? Are you down? You fell in love with somebody like you. Had to start off brand new. You know that I gotta stay true. Looking for somebody like, I don't really care if you hate me. We could fall in love on a daily. Even when you go, it doesn't faze me. You'll be right back, yeah. Sometimes we fuss and we fight and we feel like it's all just for nothing.
Something about your hands on my body feels better than any man I ever been. Something about the way you just give me. Trying not, don't, 'cause I can't forget. You got a feel and a soul that I need in my life. Yeah. Oh. So we may go, I don't know why we don't go far. But up with you, and I hate that. I need you when you know how to. But I need you so good.
Okay, I'm back home now. And I finished washing and everything, so I'm gonna bring back everything upstairs, and then I have to start studying again. But yeah, I know there's a Hurricane Melissa. Hopefully you don't damage Jamaica, okay? Because I heard that you're gonna be a Category 5, and you need to lay back and get back to Category 1. We don't need Category 5 hurricane in Jamaica right now. So, or get to like a little rain, like a splash, and then go on where I go dissolve. Alright? But to all my family members, to all my loved ones, to everybody in Jamaica, make sure you guys stay safe. Make sure you guys stay in. Make sure you have enough food, water, and shelter. Make sure you get a shelter somewhere safe, somewhere that is not going to like break down on you or cause any damage or injury. But I'll keep you guys in my prayers, and hopefully this storm is not as how they predict. It's even better. It's not a storm, it's not a hurricane, and it's basically just little rain, little showers of blessing, and that's what I'm praying for you guys. But this is the end of this video. It's not that much. I didn't really do anything that much today. Yeah, if you guys do want to see more of my content, so make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. My contract is coming to an end, and I am going to a different state because Rhode Island, I didn't really like it that much this time. It's I don't know. I guess because instead of exploring Rhode Island, because I've lived here, I lived in Rhode Island for a couple years and stuff, so I know a lot of places, so it's like very comforting to me that I know the place, but at the same time I need to explore places that I don't know, places that I can actually find new things to do, meet new people. Make sure you guys go ahead, like the video, share the video, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys, I love y'all. Bye. Alright, let me see, hold on. I have to turn back the car on so I could put this up. Ooh. Alright. And that is a wrap. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.